Dream, your name is only once, okay?
Thank you.
Good luck. Dream, everything is gonna be okay. Wait. Dream, this is gonna hurt just a little.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy Hunger Games. And may us be ever in favor. Come, welcome, welcome. Happy Hunger Games. And may us be ever in your favor. First, the Capitol brings us a beautiful video. Let's start.
Terrible war. Widows, orphans, a motherless child. This was the uprising that rocked our land. 13 districts rebelled against the country that fed them, loved them, protected them. Brother turned on brother until nothing remained. And then came the peace, hard fought, sorely won. A people rose up from the ashes and a new era was born. But freedom has a cost, and the traitors were defeated. We swore as a nation we would never know this treason again. And so it was decreed that each year the various districts of Pan Am would offer up in tribute one young man and woman to fight to the death in a pageant of honor, courage, and sacrifice. The lone victor bathed in
Ladies first. Thank you. Primrose Everdeen.
Volunteer! Volunteer, save it!
No! Katniss! Katniss! But, come on. Come. Don't be shy. The first volunteer of District 12.
Oh, what's your name?
Katniss.
Katniss Everdeen.
I guess that's what you, little sister.
Yes.
Well, that's the volunteer. Now, the boys. Peeta Mellark. So, for give you the hand. That's all. Happy Hunger Games, and may the odds be ever in the favor.
You have 3 minutes! Everything is gonna be okay. Gail will give you food and you can send you goat cheese. Okay?
Thank you. It will protect you.
I promise I will. Mom, Katniss, I will be this one, okay? We will take care of her. Everything will be okay.
I will protect you. Katniss is more smart than they, and he will get a bow. He gonna win. Don't worry, Prim, don't worry. You have 3 minutes.
Dream, your name is only once, okay? Good luck. Yo quiero un abrazo. I'm volunteer. I'm volunteer.